Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And you are looking with me on the really cool 1999 Toyota Tacoma single cab manual transmission 4-wheel drive with 4-cylinder engine. And the reason it came here today is that the owner said a couple days ago he had some problems with the Toyota shaking. He said, when I go over some like a hill on the highway speeds, it will start shaking and then it will go away. And he suspected the engine performance. So he replaced the spark plugs. He replaced the spark plug cables, they are brand new. And I believe he even replaced the coils. There are 2 of them for this 4-cylinder engine. So today when I got it, I started with the test drive, right? And today he said, oh, it will be easy for you to spot it because it got worse. Today when I was driving it to you, it got way worse and she shakes a lot. So I started with the test drive and, you know, the truck was really shaking a lot, and I'm like, the engine seems to be pulling normally, right? It's a 4-cylinder, it's not super strong, but I didn't feel there's any problem with the engine. I scanned the computer, there's no check engine light, any codes, right? There's no light, no codes. Everything's fine, and from the feeling I was definitely suspecting either 4-wheel drive or suspension or the steering. I made sure on the test drive that I was in 2-wheel drive only, right? That he's not driving, I don't know, 4-wheel drive low, and did the inspection of the engine and all that stuff, and finally lifted the vehicle. And this is what I have found. And being underneath, I found it really quickly, right? But first, for you experts, what is problem here, huh? You will say, the breather, it's plugged by the dirt. That needs to be immediately cleaned. Also, another funny thing, this spare, it's not really tightened enough, and look how much air is in it. None. But let's go back to that problem of the shaking. As I said, I found it basically immediately, and it's right here. I finally put the camcorder on the tripod. We will get a close-up of this U-joint, right? It's right back at the diff, and let me move it for you. Are you ready for something extreme? I show it to my neighbor. He's the older guy. He said he never saw it in such a bad shape like this one. And I will agree with him. Look at the damage. That U-joint, it's absolutely kaput, right? And the owner of this vehicle, he's actually really lucky that he made it here today. If you see how much torque and power is being transferred through this part, I'm actually lucky that it didn't explode on the test drive. Right? Look right here, that silver damage. I'm actually maybe lucky that it didn't explode it on me on the test drive. And this part, right, this one, didn't damage around here, the gas tank, the muffler, all that stuff, right? When this gives, all kinds of ruckus will start it. So here you got it. This truck shaking, no kidding, no wonder. It's just seconds or minutes from giving up, actually right in this spot, right here. If you look, it's almost getting out. So we were very lucky we made it back here and discovered this problem. It can be repaired. So I need to go immediately, get on the phone, right? Find the supplier who has the part and replace it immediately. There's no way he's leaving with this going elsewhere, right? This is done. This can explode any second. You saw these details, right? It can go. So I better get going, but I'm really happy I have these few minutes to film it for you. You don't see this stuff every day. So make sure you are subscribed, you don't miss any of these videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.